Welcome back friends. Yesterday we solved one example related to chapter number our national fruit mango. मैं तुमने पहला પણ કહ્યું હતું કે આપણે આ ચેપ્ટરમાં શું કરવાનું છે? We are going to deal with the numbers that are related to price of mango, weight of mango. Okay. So yesterday we solved one example. Today we will solve one more example. In that box is given. So first of all write down the box in your notebook so it will be easy to answer the questions. Okay, here in a box, type of mango is given, badam, totapuri, apus, lambu and kesar. Price per kg, 1 kg ની price કેટલી છે આપી છે? For badam it is 60 rupees per kg, totapuri 40 rupees per kg, apus 50 rupees per kg, lambu 70 rupees per kg and kesar 150 rupees per kg. Now we use this table to answer the questions. Here first question, Sudhaban buys 3 kg badam mango. How much amount does she pay? Okay, તમારા પેરેન્ટ્સ મેંગો બાય કરતા જ હશે, પ્રાઇસ પણ ઘરે આવીને બોલતા હશે કે આજે મેંગોની પ્રાઇસ આ હતી, આજે મેંગોની પ્રાઇસ આ હતી. ઓકે, so in our table what is the price of badam carrying for 1 kg? Badam carrying for 1 kg is 60 rupees. And how much Sudhaban buys? She buys 3 kg. So first of all, how can we write? Price of 1 kg badam mango is equal to rupees 6. So how much she buys? So price of 3 kg badam mango will be 3 multiply 60. As we know, if we buy 2 kg, 2 kg buy કરીએ તો 120 rupees pay કરવા પડે, 3 kg buy કરીએ તો 180. કેમ? કેમ કે આપણે ઓલરેડી શોપિંગ માં ગયા છે, તમે મેંગોઝ બાય કરી છે એટલે ખબર હોય કે 1 kg ના જેટલા પ્રાઇસ હોય. If we buy 2 kg then we will multiply the number with 2. If we buy 5 kg then we need to multiply it with 5. So here she buy 3 kg means price is multiplied with 3, 180 rupees. So how much she pay? 180 rupees for 3 kg badam mango. Clear? Now second is that Mayaben buys 5 kg totapuri mango and Jayaben buys 4 kg apus mango. How much they pay individually? Means first of all you need to find the cost given by Mayaben and cost, then you need to find the cost given by Jaya. Here the type of mango are different because Mayaben buys totapuri mango and Jayaben buys apus mango. So we need to find the both examples separately. So cost of 1 kg totapuri. What is the cost of 1 kg totapuri mango? That is 40 rupees. So what will be 5 kg? Cost is multiplied with 5. So this much rupees is given by Mayaben to the shopkeeper. Now cost of which type of mango Jayaben buys? Jayaben buys apus mango. So cost of 1 kg apus mango, that is 50 rupees per kg, means 1 kg now 50 rupees છે. So cost of 4 kg apus mango is 4 into 50, that is rupees 200. So how many money did Jayaben pay for mango? It is 200, that is apus mango, and Mayaben pays 200 but the cost is 40 rupees and she buys 5 kg, so it is 5 multiplied 40, 200 rupees. Now we will continue our example. That is the third question. Depending on that table, so Rajendra Bhai buys 4 kg Lambo mango and Narendra Bhai buys 2 kg Kesar mango. Who pays more and by how much? Okay, here two person કમ્પેર કરે તો બંનેની પ્રાઇસ ઇફ ધ પ્રાઇસ ઓફ મેંગોઝ આર ડિફરન્ટ then how can you say who pays more? First of all you need to find money paid by your parents and money paid by your uncle, and then you can compare who pays more and by how much. કેટલા વધારે ભર્યા તો એના માટે શું કરવાનું? બંનેનું સબટ્રેક્શન. ક્લિયર? સો now Narendra buys Langro mango. What is the cost of 1 kg Langro mango? That is ₹70 per kg. Now he buys 4 kg mango, so cost of 4 kg, that is 4 into 70, 280 rupees paid by Narendra Bhai. Now Narendra Bhai buys Kesar mango. So what is the cost of 1 kg Kesar mango? That is 150 rupees. So cost of 1 kg Kesar, that is rupees 150 per kg. How much he buys? He buys 2 kg. So cost of 2 kg Kesar, that is 2 into 150 rupees 300. Means Rajendra Bhai pays 280 rupees and Narendra Bhai pays 300 rupees. 15 2s are 30 and 1 0 150, that is 300. Clear? Now who pays more? Rajendra Bhai or Narendra Bhai? Rajendra Bhai pays more. Narendra Bhai pays more. How much rupees he pays more? To find that we need to subtract 300 minus 280. By 300 minus 280 is equal to 20 rupees. कितना rupees વધારે આપ્યા? 20 rupees. Now fourth part. Mahesh Bhai buys 3 kg Apus mango, 1/2 kg Kesar mango and 1/2 kg Langro mango. Then how much he will pay? Now here Mahesh Bhai buys 3 different types of mango. ત્રણ અલગ-અલગ types ના mango buy કરે છે. એના weight પણ અલગ છે. Apus mango is of 3 kg, Kesar is of 1/2 kg, Langro is 1/2 kg, and so here you need to find the cost of 3 types of mango depending on their weight. अलग-अलग weight છે અને cost પણ अलग-अलग છે. So for that you need to find the cost of every type of mango. So first, cost of 1 kg Apus, that is 50 rupees. So what will be cost of 3 kg? 3 into 50, that is 3 5s are 50. 150 rupees will be cost of 3 kg Apus mango. Now cost of 1/2 kg 1 kg Kesar. What is the cost of Kesar mango? That is 150 rupees. How cost of 1 kg Kesar mango is 150 rupees. So what will be cost of 1/2 kg Kesar mango? That is 1/2 into 150. You need to divide 150 by 2. If you divide it, you will get 75. So rupees 75 for 1/2 kg Kesar mango. Now Langro mango, that is cost of 1 kg Langro is rupees 70. 1 kg ने कितना प्राइस है? 70. So cost of 1/2 kg Langro will be 1/2 into 70.